Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Okay, we are doing some nails. Hang on, I have to take my flip-flops off. Okay, so this green, it's the Salon Perfect, and it's the Flash, the Ultra Reflective Glitter. This one is called Gleam. And let me see if I can put... So that's with the flash on. It's pretty. And then flash off. So yeah, I've been trying to use them all, so I think I have now. Okay, so what we're going to do. Now, this is a Pretty Fingers by Robin stamping plate. It's going to be coming out this Friday, August 30th, I think, the last day of the month. Now, I have the old version. This one has been reprinted, so I don't have the reprint. I just have the old version. So the new version has been updated. It's a little bit bigger. Images, and I think it's called Bitches in Nature. So I really like the mushroom heads and the ladies, and I like that she's got different size ladies, lots of flowers, and all the female parts. I'm not going to use any of the female parts on my nails because tomorrow I've got to take to hubby for his doctor's appointment. He had a hernia, among the other things that he's going on. So we've got to take him back for his checkup. So now I'm going to do a bunch of the ladies, I think, in the flowers. So I'm going to put this one, I think, on my thumb. It was either that or one of the bigger ladies. I can't decide. Let's do this lady because she kind of stuck out for me. Yeah, so I was looking today because I was trying to figure out, okay, what plates are getting released, and I'm like, I don't have that one. Oh, I'm missing part of her head. Crap. Yeah, and I'm like, I don't have that one. But I figured, you know what, I'm going to do this one. And then I'll put a picture. And plus I'll have a picture at the end. Okay. I think it's because of the stamping polish. Let me change. That bottle's almost out, so it's not cooperating with me. I'm going to change stampers too. Yeah, see, that's way better. I don't want to get rid of her, so it's hard to see. I don't know what it looks like on your end, but I can't see. So take off all of this. Okay. Yeah, see, she's very pretty. Okay, so I'm going to do this lady. got a little bit of the, no, okay, it's not so bad. I thought I got rid of the top of the flower. You probably can't see it, but it looks good. Okay, so that's 2. So now let's do one where she's sitting. So I'm going to lady, 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 and then I'm going to do flowers. So I want one, and I'm going to do the mushroom head. So let's do, oops, it's not the lady I wanted. Let's go this way. Okay, so now I'm gonna do this mushroom, and there we go. Oops, I almost got all of it. There we go. So that's her mushroom head. Lady mushroom. Okay, so now I need some flowers. Okay, so I'm going to do this one, I think, because it's got some floral as well. Actually, I got a few flowers in there. Now, to decide, let's get this out of the way. I want to do that. I'm going to do that one on the baby out. I think I'm going to do, I have to grab another stamper, but I like that flower. And won't fit though, because my nails are tiny. I ended up filing them down today, so they're a little shorter. For some reason my middle fingers, not giving you the middle finger or anything, but they're peeling. So I think it's because I haven't been using cuticle oil enough. So I have to get back in the habit. I just had to grab another cotton ball but I just noticed there's a smaller flower like that one. This guy. So I think I'm going to do that one. Oh, crap. Didn't have a stamper ready. Kind of threw me off. I grabbed 5 because I had 5 nails. But I totally forgot that I needed a mushroom cap. So there. Okay, so hang on. Let me get ready and then we'll start coloring them in. Oh, and I was going to mention these little mats. I got them from Amazon, so Canada. I had a lady ask the other day, so I figured I'd mention it. I got to try and remember to put links for it down below because I have lots of people that ask. Okay, hang on. Okay, so I'm going to get some colors ready and we're going to start painting. I use a teeny brush. I have tin foil, got some acetone in a little cup, and of course I spilled some on my lap too because I'm special like that. Yeah, it kind of dripped. It was like, ah. So just gonna do the mushroom cap part red. And I'm going to choose a different color for down there. Okay. So I'll do like a brown, a darker brown. just kind of tapping it in. And then I can turn it over and take a look. Looks good. And for her body, I'm mixing two browns. I'm going to do a light brown and a medium brown. So make her a little darker, like, because the one brown's too dark and the other one's like too light. Because I'm making her kind of my color. Well, not super. It hasn't really been, mind you, I don't go tanning anymore. Not like when I was a kid. I used to tan all the time. Oh, I'm out of color already because I didn't mix very much. Yeah, back when I was a kid, we used to put baby oil on this SPF stuff. I used to be super brown by the end of summer because I'm half Sri Lankan, so I tan quite easily. I'm trying to just tap it in. I've got a little thick. So, okay, there she is. Oh, her elbow's a little there and there. Okay, there she is. Okay, so one. Might as well do this girl. Oh, I still have. So, just trying to go really gentle. Okay, I gotta rinse off my brush. It's getting a little thick on the brush. And I don't want it to pick up the image on me. So then I can turn it over. She looks good. Okay, so now we do the other lady. I got a little much on my brush. It's because I was mixing it up. I got a little brush crazy there. So just go all over. And then I just kind of turn it over to see how she's doing. Made her booty a little bit bigger than it should be. Got a little spot. I went out of the lines. It's like, whoopsie. Okay, one sec. Okay, I just had like a little mild heart attack. I had one stamper head that didn't have anything on it, and I'm like, did I not count properly? But apparently I did. I just, I didn't realize I actually had a stamper out already, and I had grabbed a second one. So, no biggie. But I'm like, at first I'm like, ah. It's like, what did I do? Okay, so I go really gentle when the line is thin, and then I kind of push or like kind of drag the polish. And super gentle. And then in there. Oh, I missed a toe. Missed one of her feet. Right there. Right. Polish is kind of there. Her feet were crisscrossed and I missed one of her feet, and it's like, oh, those kind of look like little weed plants. I'm gonna make them green. Let's do this green. It's like a pot leaf kind of green. And a wild crocodile. So, I don't know, I should have just made them pink or something, because might be kind of hard to see on my sparkly fingers. She'll look cute. Yeah, I think so. Okay, so now flowers. One sec. Okay, so I'm just doing like a hot Barbie pink. Yeah, I went to Dollar Tree. I don't know which video you'll see first. I did a Dollar Tree haul today, and I went and I didn't even buy any polish, which I was kind of silly. There was a really hot pink one. I looked at them, and then I just kind of wandered away because I was looking for chrome powders. So I wandered away, and then I never went back to the polish section. So it's like, oops. I'm driving home and I'm like, hey, not that I really need polish. Not that I really needed chrome powder either, but I just felt like going to Dollar Tree. My hubby was napping, so it's like, it's like, oh, I'm gonna go shopping. I'm doing them all pink. I don't know if they're all pink, but they are now. I'm making them all pink. Okay, so I'm gonna let these sit and dry for probably 15 minutes or so. You know, 15-20 minutes. I don't will let them dry because I get impatient and I want to get things done. So but yeah, so we'll be back and we'll put them on my nails. Okay, one moment. So they should be dry now. So I am going to use my Maniology Sticky Base Coat, and we're going to put them on all of the nails. And I'm going to let it sit for about 30 seconds or so. I don't let it sit longer than a minute, just because I want it tacky, but not dry. Okay, so hang on, I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm going to put my thumb, and I'm going to put it on sideways. No, I can do it this way. There's lots of room. I was kind of worried that I wasn't going to have enough room because it's short. Okay, so then this one, that way. I was trying to figure out which way the flower went. And then I'm going to put the flower lady here. Actually, maybe I'll do it this one. Oh, she just had just enough room. Okay, and then this girl. And she's sitting. So now we're just gonna, there. And then flower this way. Actually, I'm gonna put it sideways a little bit. Just because my baby finger is like tiny. Come on. I guess the camera's just bugging out for, for all the glitter. Okay, so now, where is it? I'm going to use my manual, or not my manuology, my SheModern. This is the clear matte sealer. So because I have stamping and I don't want to smudge it, I'm gonna, doesn't want to open for some reason. Okay, so I take off most of it. And I'm just gonna go over. So this one goes on kind of milky, and then once it's dry, it will be matte. And then after that, I'm going to try this super dry top coat that I got from Dollar Tree. We're going to see how it goes. Okay, so I will be back in a moment because I want to try this on and then kind of give you my review on it. Okay, one moment. Okay, so it's dry. So I'm just going to use this super dry top coat. It's not bad. It's a little thicker than like my SE Speed Setter. So we'll have to see how long it takes to dry and see how glossy it is. So it's not too bad so far. I'm pretty good with thicker polishes, so I didn't quite get enough on the brush on that one. Yeah, I should have did pink on those leaves too to kind of tie it all in, but I think they're cute. I really like them. I think they're cute. Okay. It does smell a little bit, you know, but it's not overpowering. Sorry, I had to smell for science. It's not super overpowering though, which is nice. But yeah. I'll give you an update on how it looks when it's dry, and then also how it wears. Yeah, so far it is a little bit thicker, like I said, than I'm normally used to, but actually to put on a glitter, that's perfect because it will kind of encapsulate it. So stay tuned for some swatch photos. I will have products listed down below, and the Pretty Fingers by Robin stamping plate. I have the old version. There is the new version that is being released. I'll have a picture coming up at the end so you can see it, and as per always, I will have Daisy and Pippa. Okay, so thanks for hanging out with me while I do this mani. I think it's super cute. I really like it. And I love this polish. It's so pretty. Even if it's green, I like it. I'm not a green girl. Anyway, enough babbling. Love you guys. And remember, be someone sparkle. Bye. Pippa? What you doing? Daisy, what's up? Oh, some of my flowers are coming up now. These are wildflowers, I think. I just found a package, so I threw them in. And then my gnome, he glows in the dark. Hello, Pip. What do you got on you? Oh, we gotta brush you again. You got a little knot in your fur. You have a little knot. Say hi. Just be quiet and pet me, right?